It is the ultimate German horsepower war. Today, we settle the score between two hybrid titans. In the blue corner, the 2026 BMW M5 G90, a Bavarian bruiser built for the track. In the black corner, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E63S, the Affalterbach assassin. Both are heavyweights, both are plug-in hybrids, but only one can wear the super sedan crown. Let's talk pure power. The BMW M5 packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid setup. It pushes out a massive 727 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters. But Mercedes strikes back with a 4-liter bi-turbo V8 E-Performance system, delivering a terrifying 802 horsepower, completely outgunning the BMW. When it comes to acceleration, the BMW M5 rockets to 100 in 3.5 seconds. The AMG uses its extra horsepower to hit 100 in a blistering 3.2 seconds. Aesthetically, the M5 is pure aggression, featuring a glowing kidney grille and widened arches. The Mercedes counters with pure menace, utilizing the iconic Pan America grille and stealthy lines. BMW sticks to its legendary quad-round exhausts, delivering a deep, mechanical V8 growl. Mercedes utilizes quad square tips, offering that signature thundering AMG V8 rumble. Step inside the BMW and you are greeted by Kyalami orange leather and pure racing DNA. The M5's cabin is driver-focused, centered around the intuitive and massive BMW Curved Display. Step into the Mercedes and it feels like a luxury spaceship, bathed in red ambient lighting. The AMG dominates with the MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive glass panel stretching pillar to pillar. BMW gives you thick M steering wheels with dedicated red M1 and M2 quick setup buttons. Mercedes offers an F1-inspired wheel with digital dials directly on the spokes for instant changes. Both cars feature carbon fiber everywhere, but Mercedes leans slightly more into extreme luxury. BMW focuses on hardcore driving dynamics with rear-wheel steering and active M suspension. The AMG utilizes a complex all-wheel drive system with a dedicated tire-shredding drift mode. On the scales, the hybrid systems make both of these sedans incredibly heavy, crossing 2 tons. But their advanced chassis electronics mask the weight perfectly, defying the laws of physics. The BMW M5 starts at an estimated $125,000. The Mercedes-AMG demands a premium, starting at over $140,000. If you want raw track capability and a slightly lighter feel, the BMW M5 is your weapon. If you want pure sledgehammer acceleration and undeniable presence, the AMG is the king. Massive red AMG calipers on the Mercedes ensure you can halt 800 horsepower safely. The M5 is a precision instrument designed to carve corners with absolute German efficiency. The E63S is an absolute brute, engineered to obliterate the Autobahn and dominate the straights. Two legends, two hybrid monsters. Which hypersedan are you taking home?